tax bond destroyed about 5,382,591 Terra Classic LNC today in the past 24 hours. Tax bond burning about over 5 million coins in 24 hours, which means if you have to calculate 5 million in just one day, it means in 1 month, tax bond might be destroying just 150 million, which is definitely one of the lowest bond by tax bond recorded in a period of 1 month. But I don't think Terra Classic will be burning just that, between 200 million coins in 1 month by tax bond. I believe tax bond can burn between 150 to 500 or 1 billion coins. Of course, the total bond by tax bond now is hitting almost 28 to 29 billion coins, which means tax bond really improved. Tax bond really burned a lot of Terra Classic coin. Now, right now, we are focusing on burning of Terra Classic. If Luna can get themselves if they can continue burning Terra Classic, I believe that Terra Classic at the time of recording this will definitely get some support from top crypto exchanges. Terra Classic will get some support from top exchanges and top investors. But before then, let's keep up hoping to see that Terra Classic will end up at least burning over 50 billion coins between now till the next year, January. Okay, let's say in the next 5 months, let's see Terra Classic can burn up to 50 billion, because there's a proposal coming up from top burners that they are planning to burn a mega coins of Terra Classic. They're not just burning just few coins, but they want to burn billions of Terra Classic coins, which I believe if they achieve this project, it will help Terra Classic move further. But anyhow it is, one thing I know for sure is that Terra Classic in the next 5 years to come is going to become one of the biggest crypto coins if they can destroy more coins. But tax bond, for me, they've done, although we didn't expect. In fact, some people believe that this 27, let's say about 27 billion coins destroyed by tax bond is what a lot of people expected to be destroyed within the period of 1 day or 2 days. But this is taking almost 6 months or 7 months. But anyhow it is, one thing for sure is that crypto industry have come to stay. Crypto industry is going to create a lot of millionaires. All you need to do is to focus on coins, research, and of course to read daily news about cryptocurrencies. Know some coins you can invest on, buy some coins. But like someone like me, I like investing on coins that have a lot of zeros and they are doing well, because I'm not just a fast investor. I'm a long-term investor. I believe in investing for a long period of time. I can invest and I can leave that particular coin for the next 5 to 7 years. Okay, I believe in the next few years, there are some coins you will buy, you will invest on right now. In the next 5 or 7 years, you see these coins pumping, you see this coin hitting over 10,000 to 100,000%. So might even hit over 1,000,000%. These are things you need to understand about crypto industry. You need to have patience. Some coins you need patience, okay? Except you are an intraday trader. You want to make money every day. Definitely you can be trading Bitcoin or Ethereum. These are the two best coins to trade if you want to be trading cryptocurrency, okay? But please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.